Whenever I start scaling, the ROAS breaks. What should I do? What should I do? Let's go for the solution. Let's go for the solution. I'm gonna open Facebook ads Reddit as usual, and I'm gonna answer the question. Whenever we try to scale over 250 euros a day, this is close to like 300 US dollars a day, or maybe more or maybe less. I'm not really sure with the inflation right now how it works, but let's say it's similar. Whenever I try to spend 250 a day, costs increase a lot and sales drop all of a sudden. All right, so this post is a little venting, which I will do, and it's also a question for people who also experienced this before. Yes, I've experienced this before. Whenever you try to scale, ads break, but I know the solution. It will be the best solution because in my channel, I go to real people and I solve real problems. If you're looking for some of these feel good Facebook ads content, this is not the place for you. There are many gurus out there who can make a campaign with one click that makes billions of dollars. This is not me. In this channel, I handle real life Facebook ads experiences and I solve real problems. We have this store that sells Android navigation for cars. AOV is around 350. The store is in the market for 8 years soon. Looks impeccable, very tidy, CEO done right. Products are high quality, everything is perfect. A rarity for our local market. So it's a local business. So let's see if this guy can actually spend 250 euros per day. The owner of the store hired us 1 year ago to run meta ads for his store. He knows very well how to handle them himself, but he wanted to have a team running ads for him with all the updates and everything, so he doesn't have to learn meta in depth on his own. He runs the Google campaigns with great results, and we were tasked with running meta ads for him. The target CPA is 20 euros or ROAS 10. Oh my god, I want this business. I want this business. Which after 12 months of running ads is already achieved. We're running at 18.4 CPA with a ROAS 10.64. Since 1st of October 2023, this store spent 38 euros on meta ads and returned almost 400, almost like half a million, god damn it. This is beautiful and we love that. However, when we try to push budgets over 250 per day, everything goes wild. CPA will go over to 20 while ROAS is falling under the agreed target. We tried everything we could. Banners, catalogs, videos, angles for videos, frames, literally every single option that is available inside meta ads and everything we could think of in regards to creatives, we did it. Nothing seems to work above those values. What would you do to scale things? Okay, let's see what other people think, and I'm gonna give you my expert opinion because you know I'm the smartest Facebook ads person out there. It could mean that you're saturating your warm buyers pool, so the higher the budget, the more frequent the algo has to look for colder and colder audience, this crushing your conversion rate. Okay. It seems like that business only works in Romania, so there is a limited amount of buyers at all. New cars have navigation built in, while people on a budget can use smartphones for navigation. 94 purchases per month from one source. They have others running as well. 350 AOV, how far could you even scale that hypothetically? And this guy makes a good point. What I think here the market is not that huge. So no matter what they try for this product, they cannot scale it beyond 250 euros a day because let's say people buy new cars. Let's say it's in Romania as far as I get it. Let's say 1,000 people buy new cars every day. Out of these 1,000 people, let's say maybe 200 would like to buy navigation for their car. But some people won't have the money because it's like pretty costly product. So let's say that leaves us with a market of 250 people that will buy the navigation. So no matter what you do, you're limited in the market. You cannot scale beyond 250 euros per day. Let's say, have you tried scale horizontally, stacking more campaigns? So this guy actually says, instead of trying to scale the budget vertically, increase budget in the campaign, try to scale horizontally, create more campaigns. Also more campaigns, more stable for the ad account. It doesn't do well, you close it and maintain scale the others. But if the only one campaign you have doesn't do well, you're doomed. Let's say you have a budget of $300 per day, you have one campaign of 300 is risky, or you have 3 campaigns of 100 per day, which is safer. This was an example. Thanks a lot. I will try it. Yeah, actually, this could work as well. Let's say if you wanna maintain the cost per result, what you can do instead of so let's say you wanna scale beyond. I'm gonna use 1,000. I'm just gonna give you an example. My daily budget is 1,000, and I have 1,000 in one campaign. This is very risky. This is very, very risky. What you can do, you can create 10 campaigns of $100 per day. This will be less risky, right? So you can diversify the risk. And let me give you an example how I would do it. Right? I would test very different things. I would test number 1, interests. I would test number 2, lookalikes. I would test number 3, completely broad targeting, right? Number four, you can create different lookalikes. You can create lookalikes of purchase users. You can create lookalike of checkout users. You can create lookalike of people who visited your website, right? The fourth tactic I'm gonna use would be to use cost per result and cost cap. I could bump the budget a lot, but here, if my goal is to have it for like 20 euros, this is $20, let's say it, I would set the cost per result at $20, right? And this is the idea behind it. Your ads cannot support higher scale without breaking down. Not all ads can scale. Some ads only perform at low budget. Also, how broad is your actual market? And I think this is the idea. If you wanna scale, not every product is scale worthy. There are some products that are not scale worthy, so no matter what you do, you won't be able to scale them. If you want to run high budget ads, if you want to spend 3, 4, 5, 11, 40K per day, you need a mass appeal market. And at this price point, 350 euros per day, which is around 400 or 450 US dollars, is quite a lot. You're limited to the people who want this. So the market is limited, so you cannot scale. And I also gave you some strategies to scale if you are actually scale worthy. Are your Facebook ads scale worthy? That's the idea, right? And here the answer is probably not. You can do some strategies, but I highly doubt that they will work. They might work if you split a lot of campaign, target different interests, target different lookalike audiences, the way I showed you. However, the product is not scale worthy. This is my opinion. I'm gonna stop recording right now.